guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm gonna be doing this prank on Jabari. It's his first day back, and I'm gonna pull this roach prank on him. I know it's an old prank, but I saw it and I wanted to do it, so I'm gonna do it today. So Jabari has been gone for the past 2 months. He's been at his grandma's house, so he came back last night. So it's his first day back and I'm gonna prank him. Do I feel bad? Nope. Nope. So I'm not gonna ramble too much, but I ordered these fake roaches off of Amazon, and I did that while he was gone because I've been planning because I'm gonna be pranking him every day, right? So he's asleep right now. He's in his room, and I'm gonna go set up the camera and get everything together. But he's a deep sleeper. He is a deep sleeper, so I know I'm gonna pull this one off. So stick around, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting on? Please go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to leave me any comments or question in the description bar below, and please give this video some thumbs up. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. So guys, these are the roaches. a prank. You alright? You okay?
No. Excuse me.
I thought you weren't afraid of roaches.
Excuse me.
Dear light, get up here.
Move. Move, man. You got these. Ew. And they smell.
They smell rubbery, right?
Yeah.
They smell bad.
This is what the dolphin feels like. You know what I'm saying? Like, Mom, stop throwing them on me, man. I'm trying to clean up my bed. Yo. Is this what y'all be asking for? Y'all need to tell her to stop.
Yep, guys. So that's a wrap.
I'm gonna get you.
You can't get me.
Mom.
You're trying to get me from when? And
No,
no.
this one is
This is please.
This one is gonna be serious.
Whatever.
You're gonna really fall for this one now.
Oh yeah, so that's it, guys. We pranked Jabari. Alright.
This is going too far.
Peace out, and we'll catch you in the next one.
Prank wars.